तार मेहर बाबा की जय। हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण, उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान। आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, नमो ब्रह्म आओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। प्रेम दीप मैं ही जलाऊं, प्रेम दीप मैं ही जलाऊं, निविड़े अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं, निविड़े अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं, अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं, अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं, तुम मुझको सरसाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। जीवन की हर सांस हमारी, जीवन की हर सांस हमारी बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी, बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी। हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी, हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी, तुम करुणा बरसाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। बने आरती जीवन में मेहर बाबा की जय. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. So, to begin with, that was Baba's Aarti, and moving forward, as you all might be knowing, I have sung a lot of Madhusudan ji's songs, and here again I'll be starting with one of his song, which is Karuna Dhan. So, the story behind this song is when I started singing as in that was though my childhood, very small I was, but when I started singing properly with a harmonium and everything, like knowing a bit of music, this is one of those very first songs that I picked up, and it's been with me since then, and I always try to sing it as the very first song everywhere where I sing, and it's mostly I sing it like a prayer to Baba to be with me, to shower his grace, shower his blessings on us, and be with us forever and ever. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. See. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. करुणा घन मनमोहन प्रीतम प्रभु कमल नैना सुनो प्रार्थना मेहर तुम्हारा दामन छूटे ना हो दामन छूटे ना विनती करूं कर जोर मेहर नेह बने रहना जन्म मरण के फेरे जब तक दामन छूटे ना हो दामन छूटे ना सहस्त्र मुख के अहंकार से दूर मुझे रखना मान बढ़ाई मोह में फंस कर दामन छूटे ना हो दामन छूटे ना मैं निर्बल बलवान तुम्ही हो मुझे संभल लेना तुमने बाहाँ थामी तो फिर दामन छूटे ना हो दामन छूटे ना दृढ़ विश्वास डिगे नहीं मेरा हृदय बसे रहना तुम जो रहो हृदय में हरदम दामन छूटे ना हो दामन छूटे ना त्याग प्रेम सेवा अपनाऊं ये ही वर देना स्वार्थ द्वेष की लपट में आकर दामन छूटे ना हो, दामन छूटे ना। दुनिया रूठे तुम ना रूठो, मेरे बने रहना। जो भी स्थिति हो भय से तेरा, दामन छूटे ना हो, दामन छूटे ना। जन्म जन्म गुण गाऊं सुर का, दान मुझे देना। जन्म जन्म गुण गाऊं सुर का, दान मुझे देना। मधुसूदन के हाथों कब हूँ, दामन छूटे ना हो, दामन छूटे ना हो, दामन छूटे ना। मंदिर मस्जिद दीन धर्म के झगड़े में न जानूं। मंदिर मस्जिद दीन धर्म के झगड़े में न जानूं। ही में मेरे प्रकटो में है जो तुमको पहचानूं। नहीं मुमकिन किसी को उनके कूचे से निकल जाना। मधुसूदन जो फंसते वो कभी वापस नहीं जाते। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। ऐसे कस कर बांधा न छूटा दामन। ऐसे कस कर बांधा न छूटा दामन। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। उसने धर ली मेरी कलाई, उसने धर ली मेरी कलाई। सारी सुध बुध मेरी भुलाई, सारी सुध बुध मेरी भुलाई। मेरा मैंपन तोड़ ही डाला, मेरा मैंपन तोड़ ही डाला। ऐसी पकड़ी बाहाँ न छूटा दामन। ऐसी पकड़ी बाहाँ न छूटा दामन। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। धर्म कर्म का ज्ञान नहीं था, धर्म कर्म का ज्ञान नहीं था, मैं तो सुर का दीवाना था, मैं तो सुर का दीवाना था, उस सुर ने ही जोड़ा नाता, उस सुर ने ही जोड़ा नाता, उनसे हो गया नेहा न छूटा दामन, उनसे हो गया नेहा न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। उनके मेरे जो भी फसाने, उनके मेरे जो भी फसाने, मैं जानूं या वो ही जाने, मैं जानूं या वो ही जाने, ये कुछ कहता वो कुछ कहता, ये कुछ कहता वो कुछ कहता, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा न छूटा दामन, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन। उनका मेरा मेल है भैया, उनका मेरा मेल है भैया, बाकी सब है भूल भुलैया, बाकी सब है भूल भुलैया, मधुसूदन अब मौन ही रहना, मधुसूदन अब मौन ही रहना, सबकी सुन लो हाँ हाँ न छूटा दामन, सबकी सुन लो हाँ हाँ न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन, ऐसे कस कर बांधा न छूटा दामन, ऐसे कस कर बांधा न छूटा दामन, लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन, न छूटा दामन, न छूटा दामन। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। That was Karuna Ghan combined with Laak Chhodana Chaha. So I told you about Karuna Ghan before singing the song. About Laak Chhodana Chaha, I feel it's a very popular Madhusudan ji songs, and most of you will be knowing about this song. But I'll still tell what I've heard from people. So this song was written by Madhusudan ji after he again came back in touch with Baba. So there was a period when Madhusudan ji was not in touch with Baba. Once he came back in touch with Baba, that is when he wrote this song, and he says that I tried my best to go far from you, to leave you, but you never let go of me, and that's what brought me back again to you. So लाख छुड़ाना चाहा न छूटा दामन, ऐसे कसकर बांधा न छूटा दामन। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। The next song is called इस युग के हैं दाता, अवतार मेहर बाबा। I picked this song up recently only, so please pardon me if I sing some of the lines a bit wrongly. But yeah, the song is इस युग के हैं दाता, अवतार मेहर बाबा, which says that the avatar of the age is Avatar Meher Baba. the crux of the song. इस युग के हैं दाता अवतार मेहर बाबा. इसके बाद just a moment.
Akash, you're muted now.
Yep. Was just revising one thing.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So this is a very last moment thing. We got to know that we are performing yesterday, and we had to come up with a set list. And since he's actually not a Baba lover, he got to know of Meher Baba through me, and this is the first time he's playing Baba's song on his guitar. So we had to do some brush up and come up with the set list and do some practice. So it is a very last moment thing. So just revising a few things. इस युग के हैं दाता अवतार मेहर बाबा. Avatar Meher Baba.
He's doing great, and he's become a Baba lover now. Jai Baba.
Definitely, I'll plan to take him to Meherabad someday, maybe soon. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. इस युग के हैं दाता अवतार मेहर बाबा. 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 मेहर की मेहर से हम सब की बिगड़ी बने. मेहर की मेहर से हम सब की बिगड़ी बने. करने को आए कृपा अवतार मेहर बाबा. करने को आए कृपा अवतार मेहर बाबा. इस युग के हैं दाता अवतार मेहर बाबा. मुस्कान बड़ी न्यारी सूरत प्यारी प्यारी. मुस्कान बड़ी न्यारी सूरत प्यारी प्यारी. सबका मन मोहते हैं अवतार मेहर बाबा. सबका मन मोहते हैं अवतार मेहर बाबा. इस युग के हैं दाता अवतार मेहर बाबा. आशीष हमें देना, चरणों में बिठा लेना, आशीष हमें देना, चरणों में बिठा लेना, अपना प्यार बरसाना, अवतार मेहर बाबा, अपना प्यार बरसाना, अवतार मेहर बाबा, इस युग के हैं दाता, अवतार मेहर बाबा, इस युग के हैं दाता, अवतार मेहर बाबा, इस युग के हैं दाता, भगवान मेहर बाबा, अवतार मेहर बाबा, अवतार मेहर बाबा, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. That was इस युग के हैं दाता, अवतार मेहर बाबा. Okay, so the next song is again a very well-known song in Baba world, which was written by our very own Bhauji. And as soon as Bhauji's name comes, the first song that comes to our mind is Japu Tumhara Naam Meherba, Japu Tumhara Naam. So that's the next one. D minor.
कैसा जाता था?
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा. Before starting this song, I just forgot to say, since everyone knows this song, please sing along. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम, मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा. जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम, मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा. आस भरी है तुमसे मिलने, तड़पत है मेरे प्राण, आस भरी है तुमसे मिलने, तड़पत है मेरे प्राण, दीन दया घन प्रेम के सागर बसो मेरे ही आन, दीन दया घन प्रेम के सागर बसो मेरे ही आन, बसो मेरे ही आन. मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा. जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम, जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा, मेहरबा जपूं तुम्हारा नाम। मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा। मन चंचल है शत्रु हमारा नित्य करता अभिमान। मन चंचल है शत्रु हमारा नित्य करता अभिमान। तुम्हारे मिलन में पर्दा बनकर रहता है नादान। तुम्हारे मिलन में पर्दा बनकर रहता है नादान, रहता है नादान। मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा। जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा जपूं तुम्हारा नाम। जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा जपूं तुम्हारा नाम। मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा। क्या चाहूं मैं तुमसे प्रियवर भावू एक अजान। क्या चाहूं मैं तुमसे प्रियवर भावू एक अजान। पाऊं सुख तुम्हारी मर्जी में चाहूं यही वरदान। पाऊं सुख तुम्हारी मर्जी में चाहूं यही वरदान, चाहूं यही वरदान। मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा। जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा जपूं तुम्हारा नाम। जपूं तुम्हारा नाम मेहरबा जपूं तुम्हारा नाम। मेहरबा 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 मेहरबा। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। That was जपू तुम्हारा नाम. Okay, I'll just take a moment to sip some water so that my throat doesn't go dry.
You guys are doing wonderful. Both of you. Yeah.
Okay, so the next song is again a fairly known composition these days in Baba world, which is sung by a lot of people, even from the east, from the west, everyone. And that song is called Prabhu Ji Daya Karo, Man Mein Hamare Baso. Dear Auntie, perfect. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। प्रभु जी दया करो, प्रभु जी दया करो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो। बसो प्रभु जी दया करो प्रभु जी दया करो मन में आन बसो मन में आन बसो प्रभु जी दया करो प्रभु जी दया करो मन में आन बसो मन में आन बसो तुम बिना लागे सुना तुम बिना लागे सुना खाली घट में प्रेम भरो खाली घट में प्रेम भरो प्रभु जी दया करो प्रभु जी दया करो मन में आन बसो मन में आन बसो तंत्र मंत्र पूजा नहीं जानू तंत्र मंत्र पूजा नहीं जानू मैं तो केवल तुमको ही मानू मैं तो केवल तुमको ही मानू सारे जग में ढूंढा तुमको सारे जग में ढूंढा तुमको अब तो आकर बाँह धरो अब तो आकर बाँह धरो हे प्रभु जी प्रभु जी प्रभु जी दया करो प्रभु जी दया करो मन में आन बसो मन में आन बसो प्रभु जी 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 अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. That was Prabhu Ji Daya Karo. The next song in line is something that I have never sung before, at least in front of this crowd, and it's a kawali. It's a kawali which we'll try to cover on a guitar and a harmonium. I hope we can do some justice to it because this kawali is a very beautiful one. It has a very deep meaning, and in fact it has such a deep meaning that some of the words are even beyond my understanding. So it's a kawali in the language Urdu, and I'll try to give a brief about it. So this kawali is called साकी की हर निगाह पे बलखा के पी गया लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. So the word Saki over here refers to our beloved. Saki is actually the person who distributes or who gives the what we say, the
Wine.
alcohol.
Wine.
Sorry?
Wine. Yeah.
The wine. So over here, in terms of this kawali, we say that Saki, our beloved Baba, is pouring the divine love, his divine wine, and the person, I and the normal people who are intoxicated in his love, We are so lost. We are so we have flown away in his divine wine. The waves of his divine wine, we are flowing in it. We are so intoxicated that we don't know what is going in this world, and the only thing that we know is Baba. So that's what the Qawwali means. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. Just a moment. I'll again take a minute's break and I'll resume.
Where is Akarsha in India? Where is he at? Pune?
Sorry, you were saying something?
Where are you in India? Are you in Pune?
No, I'm not in Pune. So I'm currently in Bangalore. Yeah. So I just relocated a few months back for working from office. 2 years in COVID times we have enjoyed at home. So now I'm back to office and here I am.
But you are from Lucknow otherwise, right?
Yeah, I'm from Lucknow. Yeah. I still identify myself as a person belonging from the Lucknow center. But obviously I belong to all the centers since Baba is everywhere. So that is also one way of defining it.
Beautiful.
Okay, so the next Qawwali is साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया.
Yes, Baba.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. साकी की हर निगाह पे, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया. साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया. घबरा के पी गया, बेकैफियों के कैफ से घबरा के पी गया, घबरा के पी गया. तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के, तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के ठर्रा के पी गया, तौबा को तोड़ ताड़ के ठर्रा के पी गया, शाहिद ये मेरी शौक ये रिंदा न देखना, रहमत को बातों बातों में, रहमत को बातों बातों में बहला के पी गया, रहमत को बातों बातों में बहला के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे पल खा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे पल खा के पी गया, लहरों से खेलता हुआ लहरा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। That was साकी की हर निगाह पे बल खा के पी गया, and I guess that's it. It's 8:55, and any Shruti, are we good over here?
We could go on and on if you.
Obviously, we could go on and on. And there's no stopping. So once you start singing Baba's song, there's no stopping. It's again, it's like the divine wine flowing. We are flowing in the waves.
Kawali, yeah, Kawali.
Oh,
So yeah, that's it from my side. And
Thank
Avtar Meher Baba ki jai.
oh, what a great pleasure. What a wonderful morning. Thank you. Thank you for and welcome
you.
to the group.
And Akash, is there a harmonium player next to you or something? Or
No,
you
no,
are-
no, I was doing that thing. So I was
Oh,
playing
okay.
Yeah.
No, we just want to see all. So you both have done a great job.
Yeah, only two of us are there, unfortunately.
Okay. Beautiful. No, it's great. I mean, Kawali with guitar. I mean, it just worked beautifully.
Thank you, thanks a lot. It was our first try on the guitar, and I hope it worked fine.
Yeah, I mean,
Baba's happy.
this friend of yours is a great guy. So
Yes. What is his name?
keep going.
What is his name again? Your friend's name?
Shreyash.
Shreyash. Welcome, Shreyash. We hope
Yeah.
to see you again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you. Jai Meher Baba.
Great job.
Jai Meher Baba to
Meher
everyone.
Baba
Thank you for
ki
giving us
jai.
this channel.
It's over.
Avtar Meher Baba ki jai.
Yeah, Baba.
Rosalie, you have a question?
Then I said, it's over.
It's
We're
over.
talking Kawali.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Next, Akash, next time, Rosalie likes Lajjate Gum. So if you can share that
Okay.
next time. Yeah.
Definitely.
Alright.
What I'll do is next time I'll prepare a complete set list of only ghazals and qawwalis and ghazals and qawwalis.
I love him. Yeah. So you are from Lucknow. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
But you heard about. I mean, Baba went to Lucknow. He had visits to Lucknow.
Yep. So basically,
Yeah.
Baba throughout his lifetime, he visited Lucknow 7 times. Some of them were very brief visits, and some of them were for a longer duration. Not very long, but yeah, every time Baba visited Lucknow, obviously there was some divine purpose behind it.
Yeah.
And one of the very important visits that we consider that Baba had made to Lucknow was in 1943 October. So he was traveling from Kolkata to Lahore, and in the way he stopped at Lucknow, and then he stayed there for like 3 to 4 days, and he fed food to a lot of poor people and did his divine work. Obviously, we can't know what work he did, but he came to Lucknow quite a few times. So, yep.
We're just so lucky to have all these like films of Baba, like say the 3 Incredible Weeks to actually see. I mean, that's why I think being born in this age, because we have film of the
Yeah.
Avatar. I mean, this is like, you can't do it better. Yeah. Film of reality, you know? Yeah. So I don't know if they filmed in Lucknow, but yeah, he didn't waste a minute. He was all about work. When the Avatar comes, he's just, they
Yeah.
help out. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there are like this Lucknow visit of Baba. In fact, all the 7 visits, there is not much content on it. The only reference we can found is in Lord Meher and one more book, if I remember, The Wayfarers, probably. That's
Ah.
where it's mentioned about that Baba visited Lucknow. I haven't come across any video footages until now. So waiting for that day, maybe we can see one. We recently what we did was so as a part of Lucknow Center, we recently in last year October, we created a documentary of the places that Baba had visited, and then some places which are related to Baba. So
Yes,
the
yeah.
documentary, it's there on YouTube, and I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group that we have, and maybe you can all can go through it.
Wonderful.
Unfortunately, it's currently in Hindi, so we'll have to do the translation. But let's see if we can do it as soon as possible so that it's reachable to everyone all over the world.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
yeah.
that's a wonderful idea. Wow, all the places.
No,
Oh,
I look
yeah,
forward
we'd
to
love
that.
see
You know, here in the West, you know, they did a film of Baba's accident in the middle of our country. It is, have you seen that one?
I do not recall it right now, so
Yeah, it's really beautiful work. They're all worth, I mean, any film of Baba is worth seeing, but, you know, he did this special work and he said that Mara, his most special person, beloved, he said she took on half the suffering of that accident, which was just amazing. Yeah, try and see it, and I'll try and see it.
Oh,
When
yeah.
yours comes out, you'll let us know. You'll let us know here in the West. Yeah. Now I love that you're singing in your language because the feeling. You see, I grew up in the Catholic religion. They were still singing in Latin, you know, but that was very remote. But your language, right when Baba was walking and traveling all around, it's very important, those Kawali and those ghazals. For me, it's very important. Yeah. And I love Japutu Padanam.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
And your favorite one, I like that one. That one, you says you always sing it. You sing
Yeah, Madhusudan Ji's song Karuna Gan.
yeah.
So tell me your favorite line in that ghazal. That one.
The favorite line, I'll again have to sing the whole song for that because every line is my favorite. So
You like it so much, but there's one that repeats all the time.
yeah, so it's like the chorus of the song is Daman Chhute Na. Daman Chhute Na is like we keep holding on to your Daman and we never let go of that Daman. So that's the main line. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I love that because the one that you shared, the line that you went away, I went away, but you came for me. You didn't let me go away. Yeah.
Hey, Narendra Prasad has his hand raised. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba, uncle.
So
Jai
very,
Baba.
very nice, Akash. I just wanted to supplement Baba's visits to Lucknow regarding that.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
1943, when he visited Lucknow, he stayed in a place called Varma Hall. I do not know if you recall the big function we had, I think 2017 or 18, I don't recall the exact.
2018, we had it in 18.
18, and that was a very great function that you people managed to put together. And the history of that hall is, very, very interesting one. Baba had, for his own purpose, I mean, 43, it was a lot of famines and things like that were happening. And poor feeding, he had done it in large numbers in that hall. And that hall is still there. So, in fact, K.K. Srivastavaji, the former secretary and who is gone to Baba now, he said that yes, Lucknow Center should be doing this event, if not annually, at least frequently. I tried to convince the present secretary, what's his name?
Sanjay Dubey, he's my father, yeah.
Sanjay Dubey. For years, Sanjay Dubey and his nephew in Delhi, doctor. So, Verma Hall, this kind of, it's in middle of, lot of, congested area and a lot of people and all that. But so for that reason, he was very hesitating. But somehow he had a very mystical experiences in organizing that one, and finally he did that job there. And a lot of people, the new people, they came to just listen to that. So one thing that we all know that Lucknow has a very different tradition of celebrating its annual days by celebrating the event in the evenings and late in the evenings and things like that, which is very different from other centers. So for that function, it was organized on 2-day event. It was a very grand event. And that is a place which is still available. In fact, very now and then the Lucknow Center, they should actually think of celebrating that very place. And it's very cheap. They allow the hall to be used at a very cheap rates, actually.
Yeah, we definitely plan to have it very soon, Uncle. The next program probably in a year or two. So the plan is going on. Let's hope Baba gives us his blessings and we go forward.
No, I'm happy that you have put all this information on YouTube, and that is very nice for new people to know what Baba had done in Lucknow and so on. So it's very good. So keep that activity. I'm very happy to hear about that. Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
When you started singing with the Arti, it's just such a thrill because it brings me back to the Samadhi. That Arti Adi Sachetana, and I went, I know that. Yeah. It's just thrilling. Yeah, thank you. And you string it so strongly and with feeling. I love it. Akash. Yeah.
Thank you, Jai Baba.
So, any other questions? Otherwise, Betty, you can. we all can unmute and say Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai 3 times, right? Yeah, I mean, you all can unmute and we'll just take Baba's name 3 times. Avatar Meher Baba Ki
Jai.
Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Dubeji, thank you.
Thank you, Jai Meher Baba.
Thank you, Jai Baba. Nice
Jai
program. Very enjoyed.
Thank you, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba.